In this second part, we are going to see how the technologies we have talked about in the last part have transformed the markets, adding value to the information. Big data is becoming an element of disruption among companies. The analysis of information in large volumes from diverse sources at high speed and with unprecedented flexibility can be a differentiating factor for those who decide to adopt it. We also have to keep in mind that this data has to be analyzed quickly to make decisions. If time passes, the environment might change, which will make the data useless. What we are seeing is that all this is changing business models and logistics. Big data can help improve the efficiency of a business through data analysis, but it can also help create new business models which are going to be the biggest boost for growth. Here you have information of what are the sources, and this can be internal or external sources, as well as structured or unstructured data. A simple example of structured data will be an Excel sheet, and unstructured data, for example, will be a book. A book has a lot of information, but I must read it to process and extract information. An Excel sheet can have a table, and I already have the specific data that I need. Those simple concepts, when I take them to my business layer, extracting that information from one source or another, completely change the work environment, and I have to be able to understand what is important to me. How is value created with data? Well, in the end, to create value, I need the data to take me to action. I also need more and more profiles with a vision not only technical or technological, but also for business. And finally, a variable that I must take into account is the importance of ethics and ownership of the data. All that information that I have, to what extent can I use it? Here you have a series of areas where companies can benefit from big data. And as you can see, it goes all the way from logistics and production to marketing and customer management. You can also delve deeper with this material into those new emerging business models that appear thanks to the use of big data. And as you can see, the areas where we can use this data are endless. From retail to health or finance, big data can impact positively in almost all types of businesses. And we also want to propose another case. If we analyze the data flow of an insurance company and a bank, what will be the interconnection of the data between both entities? Why is it so related? What value does one entity contribute to another? What we want with these cases is that you and the student consider scenarios where I can understand that relation more easily.